Hey, how's it going, fellow educators, students, and YouTubers? I switched locations and we are now ready to tackle hyperdocs, which is probably something you've heard of before. It was probably called something else. I know that was my situation. Anyway, so what I have right here is my hyperdoc lesson on visual elements. It's really cool here. I just go over here and I have this engaging thoughts. Have you ever asked yourself, what makes good art good? Check out my video. So then you go over here and you hit open link, and I'll whisk you away to wherever I want you to go. And just so it happens to my video. So anyway, so how did I do that? Well, you go over here to the infamous Google and you type in hyperdocs, and then you can find some really cool stuff. Here's some hyperdoc templates, and just go over here and you can find whatever ones you want that'll fit your needs. Download them, and then you open up a Google Doc. So let's say here I'll open up another doc, hit File, New, find me a doc. Over here, I'm going to write down edible, right? Edible. All right, and we've now found the basic hyperdoc lesson plan template. So we'll hit File and make a copy, and I'm going to change this to basic hyperdoc lesson plan, and then we'll step out of the template there. And okay, we'll put this into folder. Just hit my drive. And what we'll do is it'll pop up. All right. So what you're going to do now that you have your document, we're going to copy that and we're going to go over to make sure this is yours. He's got my beautiful face there. So I'm going to go over here and select the word that I want. And then right up here is the link. You click that. That's the text. It's going to become the hypertext. Sometimes it likes to try to guess what you want. Don't always trust this. Go over here and hit paste and then apply. And then your magical word here will be a hyperlink. So what makes this feature amazing is what you can do is you can set up tons of hyperlinks. You have one page, maybe a page and a half, and then your students can just go down the list and click different things here and there and end up going all over the internet, learning and doing various projects. If you have any questions, please let me know. Make sure when you go to give this to your students, you go up here, it says shareable, you click on that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit change this to make sure it's anyone on the internet with this link, or you can change that and you can change it to restricted or just copy of the link, and then you go over here to commenter, editor, or viewer. I just have it. Make sure to copy the link, and then you can put that in Schoology, Google, Facebook, wherever you want people to get to this information. Anyways, it was a pleasure to help you out again. Please like, subscribe, ask questions, and stay safe. Thanks, guys, for watching.